cuties, welcome to my channel. So let's start the video. Here I am showing some clay charms which I made at home. These clay charms are made with the help of homemade clay. It is not made by any super clay or any market clay. This is made only with the help of homemade clay. If you want the tutorial of homemade clay, then please comment down. Next I am showing the materials which have tools which I have used in this video. You can take screenshot also. And this is a brushes. There are different types of brushes because you need lots of brushes in these videos. It means if you are making any clay charms, you can need different types of brushes. Either it is flat brush, thin brush, or different types of brushes. These all brushes are available in stationery shops near your area and also available in website like Flipkart, Amazon. This is dotting tool. This is also available in Flipkart, Amazon, and any other websites. These are in different shapes and size. And next is eyeshadow brushes you have at your home. If you don't have, you can use any other thing like earbuds. And this eyeshadow the piece of glass which we have to use in clay art videos or any clay art purpose, just because if you are making clay art, then all the waste material stick into that's why you have to use any plastic or silicone plate also. And this is the eyeshadow palette, and if you don't have eyeshadow, then you can use oil pastel chalks. You have different colors of chalks. Next is earbuds, and this is the scissor, most important. And next is all pin is also useful. I will tell how to use this. Next is fevicol to stick small particles together, and if you are a beginner, you can also use marker and acrylic paint. Next I am showing the varnish. If you don't have any varnish, then you can use shiner, nail paint. Then this is the pastel colors if you for applying colors. Next I will show you how to make all the clay charms with the help of these tools. So stay tuned for the video. So here I am taking small piece of homemade clay. This is a homemade clay which I made at home, and with the help of dotting tools I applied a small dots, and then I am applying a little dot of fevicol. Don't have to apply lots of fevicol. You just have take a drop of fevicol with the help of dotting tool and apply where you have to stick. Then with the help of all pin, you have to hold the small pieces like I am holding these eyes of the kitty and applying in the exact place where you have to apply. See this how it look like cute kitty's eyes. Next with the help of brush I will applying eyeshadow. If you don't have brush, then you can sorry, not eyeshadow, it's blush. And if you don't have eyeshadow brush, then you can use earbuds. Same, it works as visual as same, but brush can be easily for you. If you don't have brush, then you can use earbuds. So here this cuties, here how this kitten looks, you can see. Next I am taking a very thin, it means it is very thin, very means very thin, and taking a small amount of acrylic paint and making the detailings of the kitty. If you don't have experience, then you can use marker also. So thank you for watching the whole video, and subscribe my channel and like, share and subscribe.